And we back for another large family grocery haul. But not to tell y'all, today was one of them hottest days of the year. Whew. It was like 92 degrees outside. You know, we going into the weekend, so we stocking up really on everything. But let me go ahead and show y'all what we got. Y'all know I have to have my coffee creamer. This is the zero sugar caramel macchiato. We got Porter some bananas. Got to keep those on deck. And I was so excited because I'm going to be making this dish for the cookout season. And everything that I needed was on sale. And I got all three of these peppers for $1 each. And it's a jalapeno inside of there too. Normally these peppers are $1.99 each. So I looked up on those. And then I also got some grape tomatoes. So we always, one of our staples is our pancake mix. And we can go between the Aunt Jemima and the Hungry Jack brand. Just depends on, you know, what I'm in the mood to pick up at the store. Now, this is one of Porter's favorite snacks. And we got to be conservative. Because if you leave it up to her, this whole bag will be gone in one day. So if your kids have ever tried these animal crackers and they got icing on them, go ahead and comment down below. They are really good. And Daddy and the kids be eating them all too. Here we have some bacon. And y'all know we can use bacon for everything. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. And then here's some maple sausage links. The kids love these for in the morning. They put them right in the air fryer on the stove. But lately, just put them right in the air fryer and boom, there they go. And then we have some French toast sticks. Now, I love these French toast sticks. And they quick and easy. Again, just throw them in the air fryer in the morning. You know, they have their virtual school. So, it's just something easy for them, you know, before school starts. We love our fish sticks. So, I got 2 boxes because 1 box is never enough. And then here we have some French fries. This is one of our go-to staple items that has to be in our house as well. We got to have our eggs. Now here is another one of our family favorites. Some hush puppies with some sweet corn. And these are so good. We normally just fry these up. But if y'all really want to see a homemade version that we made, go ahead and click the link right above. Y'all will enjoy that. I got the kids some Go-Gurts. And you know, if your kids love yogurt, but they're not really good with the spoon, and they like popsicles, this is kind of like a yogurt in a popsicle stick. Because it's in like one of those long little pouches where they feel like they eating ice cream. Now this is one of Daddy's favorites. It's some rice pudding. And they come in these little cups right here. And he always got to hide these from the kids because they would eat them all. So I bought 2 packs of those. They was 2 for $5 today because I don't want to hear his mouth. You know how that go. And I picked up some cornbread because we haven't had any of that in a while. And I've been on my keto diet. And I really wanted to make y'all some keto cornbread. What y'all think about that? Yay or nay? And I picked up some sandwich meat. These was 3 for $10. You know, these are perfect for lunchtime. The kids can just, you know, make a sandwich with some cheese. And this is the chicken breast flavor. This is the honey and turkey. And today, I actually seen a new kind where they had a split. And half was turkey and half was ham. But I was like, since they was 3 for $10 anyway, I just went on ahead and still just bought 1 of each. Because that 1 pack with 2 sides was not going to be enough. I got Porter some oatmeal. And then this is the variety pack. So it has the peaches and cream, bananas, strawberries, and blueberries. You know they can't go wrong with this. Cheese. Y'all know we have to have our cheese in the house. This is some sliced cheese. And then here's the sharp cheddar shredded. And some mozzarella cheese. Now let me tell y'all. You know how it's the holiday season coming up. Because the bag of chips go on sale. Now in my grocery store, these bags can be almost $4 to $5. But today, they was $1.88. Yes. So y'all know the kids love chips. So I picked up 3 bags of these. And these are the spicy ones. So I never seen these. These are some Flamers and Flamin' Hot. I know, but the kids love spicy chips. Those Takis and everything else. So I got them those. And then I just got a regular bag of the plain Doritos. What's y'all favorite flavor of Doritos? I was going to pick up the ranch ones, but I was like, let me just keep it simple today and just go with the classic nachos. And then here is our cereal. We cannot go on a grocery haul without picking up some cereal. And these were also on sale, 3 for $5. I picked up 1 box of Frosted Flakes. And then I got 2 boxes of Apple Jacks because 1 box is never enough, you know, breakfast time. And then in our household, cereal is not just for breakfast, it's whenever, you know, you just want something quick and easy, and there you go. Just get a bowl of cereal and you be on your way. We haven't had brownies in a while. These was on sale for $1, and y'all know I cannot pass up a good box mix that's on sale for $1 because there's so much you can do with it. If you don't believe me, make sure y'all check out that strawberry lemonade cake that I made. That was 4 layers, and I used that box mix. It was so good. Here's some beef kibasas. Y'all know we love those. And of course, y'all already know if you've been watching our channel for a while, we cannot go to the store without stocking up on some sauce. I got some ketchup, some Sweet Baby Ray's honey mustard. Here's some red wine vinaigrette that's going to go in the side dish that I'm going to be making for the cookout. Ooh, y'all, just wait. It's coming. Tartar sauce for the fish sticks. We went through that whole big jar of mayo that we had got from Costco, so I had to restock up on that. We went through all of our flour. I had to stock up on some more flour because y'all know when we in here frying stuff, you got to have that flour on hand. And then here is a bunch of fresh vegetables that I picked up. I have a red onion, and I don't want to take it out the bag just yet because I need to wash them all. Here's some cucumbers. I got 2 of those. Cilantro. Y'all know we love cilantro. Had to get some more butter. And we used this sweet cream unsalted butter. Y'all, it's so good. Now, let me tell you, I also have some sardines. And y'all would not believe it, but do your kids eat sardines? Because Emmy does. But she likes them too. And I would have never had thought that she would have wanted some. But put some hot sauce on that. Ooh. And there you go. But you know they come in either water or oil. And I seen that these come in mustard sauce. I've never had this one before. So we'll check those out today. And then we have to have our milk. Not only just for cereal, but we cook with it too. Here's some ricotta cheese. I'm going to be making some lasagna. So make sure y'all check out that video coming soon. Peanut butter. You know what family doesn't have peanut butter and jelly on hand at all times. A lemon, and then I grabbed me this salmon. So normally it would have been $8.64. I got that, you know, marked down a little bit today for $6.91. So I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, hook that up. And then of course we needed some bread. All right, y'all, so as always, we love giving y'all some good meal inspiration for your family. Make sure you go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and we're gonna see y'all back for the next video. See y'all later.